Today let's have a look how to change the ink cartridges for HP Deskjet. So the model is HP Deskjet 3634. So before you changing the ink cartridge, you have to turn on the printer. You have to turn on the printer, then you have to put the papers on the paper input tray, and also you have to pull down the paper output tray. So once the printer is on, the power light will be stop blinking. Then you can start the process. So you have the ink cartridges here. So it has only two ink cartridges. One is tricolor cartridge and the other one is black one. Now you can pull the paper output tray, and also you can pull this one. So that will automatically brings the ink cartridges to the center portion. So you can easily remove the ink cartridge. So now I have taken out both the ink cartridges. You have to pull it out, then we can insert the new one. Ink cartridge, you have to take out the sticker from the top, and beware not to touch the electrical circuit there. If you touch the electrical circuit with your finger, it will interfere with the contact, and it maybe won't work properly. So now I take out the sticker, then you can insert according to the color code it shows. It's here for the black. Black. Similarly, you can put the colored one. So the colored one will go there. So both are in. Now you can close the tray. Just wait for 30 seconds, so it will print the report first. And also do not forget to recycle the old cartridge. If you have received the recycling envelope, you can simply put the used cartridge and you can send it to the So now it is printing the report. So as you can see, when you receive this copy, you have to put it on the scanner and take a color copy. Now you can open the copy panel. Then you can this one for the color copy. As you can see, this is still blinking. So printer is taking time to centralize the cartridges. So once it stops blinking, you can press the color copy button. So now the process is complete and it stopped blinking, so your printer is ready for printing. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.